Extracting pages from PDF file. Click on the file to open. You can see the file consists of 4 pages. This is the first page. Now to extract page from PDF file, click on Tool. In the Organized Page section, click on down arrow, click on Open. You can see the 4 pages has been organized separately. You can select any of the page to extract. Let me select the first page to extract. Then click on the extract option. Then click on extract. You can see the first page has been extracted from the file. And now you can save this page.